Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. My name is Ashmita. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to take admission for the MA MSc Statistics course in Savitribai Phule Pune University. Now, this university provides a department of statistics where candidates can apply and they have to give an entrance examination through which they can take admission. Now, just because you are applying for this university, you need to know a bit about its Department of Statistics. Now, the Department of Statistics in this Pune University is a UGC Center for Advanced Studies in Statistics. It is also supported by NBHM. Some of the special courses taught in the department are statistical methods for quality and reliability, survival analysis, actuarial statistics, then clinical trials, statistical analysis of microarray data, regression and time series analysis, statistical learning data mining, stochastic models in finance. This university offers MA and MSc courses in statistics and the duration of the course is 2 years. Number of seats offered is 50. Of the total intake, 70% of the seats are reserved for the Savitribai Phule Pune University students and 30% of the seats are actually reserved for the other university students. Now, talking about the eligibility criteria, obviously there will be an eligibility criteria which the candidate needs to fulfill before applying in this university. Now, you need to have a BA or a BSc degree in statistics. You can also have BA or BSc degree in actuarial statistics. You might also have BA or BSc degree in triple major with statistics as one of the subject in every year. Then you can also have MA or MSc in mathematics. Then you can also have BA or BSc, that is mathematics with statistics as a subsidiary subject with minimum 50% marks. Now, there is a relaxation of 5% marks which is considered for the reserved category candidates who are domiciles of Maharashtra. Talking about the social reservation, there is 3% of the seats are reserved for the physically handicapped students. 5% of the seats are reserved for defense personnel's children or ex-servicemen's children. Subject to availability, 3% of the seats over and above the approved intake capacity shall be reserved for the students participating at the national level or state level or university level sports and cultural competitions. Now, obviously, there would be an entrance examination without which you cannot get admission in this university. Now, candidates shall be admitted to the MA MSc course strictly on the basis of merit in the entrance examination. Now, what's the syllabus for the entrance examination? Now, syllabus for the entrance examination of each course will be available on the web page of the respective university departments, and that you need to find it out through the official website of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Now, the online entrance examination will be of 100 marks with multiple choice questions, that is MCQ based questions will come. Online entrance exam paper will consist of 2 sections. That is section A, which will have general knowledge and aptitude questions and also logical questions and comprehension questions. All the questions in section A will have 20 marks. Going over to section B, now section B will be subject specific question paper. It will have 80 marks. Now, what's the selection procedure? Now, students graduating from the colleges affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University will be given much more preference. Okay. Apart from that, 50% weightage will be given to the performance at the entrance examination and 50% weightage will be given to the total marks which is obtained in the qualifying examination. Now, students graduating from any Indian statutory universities other than Pune universities, for them the merit criterion will be based exclusively on their performance in the entrance examination. Now, for filling up the application form to apply in this university for this entrance test, and after that if you pass you will get admission, you will have to pay an application fee. For the general category candidates, you have to pay a sum of 500 rupees. For the reserved category candidates, you have to pay a sum of 350 rupees. And let me tell you, payment should be done only through online mode, that is either by debit card or credit card or through net banking mode. Now, what is the official website of this university? It's www.campus.unipune, that is unipune.ac.in. Then you will go through the different links to the online registration process, and there you have to complete your registration process, and then you have to log out. So that is how you can take admission, or you can opt for taking admission in Savitribai Phule Pune University. Now you have to prepare for the entrance examination. There is no shortcut for admission in this. So in order to get good marks in the entrance examination, you need to prepare well. Now for that, you need a strategic plan preparation. This can only be done under the guidance of a good mentor and a good coach. और हम सौरभ क्लासेस में वही mentor वही coach आपको provide करेंगे. हमारे यहाँ पे regular classes होता है, online offline classes. Doubt clearing sessions are provided, revision classes are there. रिविजन क्लासेस के साथ साथ क्रैश कोर्स फैसिलिटीज का भी नया फैसिलिटी हमने रखा है, एंड मॉक टेस्ट फैसिलिटीज आर आल्सो देयर, स्कॉलरशिप फैसिलिटीज आर आल्सो देयर. If you enroll in our institute, then we are going to provide you with the access to the recorded lectures portal, जिसको आप 24/7 विजिट कर सकते हैं. जितना बार चाहे आप लोग उन recorded lectures को प्ले कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, जब तक आपके डाउट्स क्लियर ना हो जाए, and you can play them innumerable times. And let me tell you, here we provide mock test facilities also, and we also solve the previous year's question papers, unsolved papers and sample papers. We also make you practice important questions that we think can come in the upcoming year examination or in the current year examination. And if you want to enroll in our classes, you can check the description box below. आपको हमारा contact numbers मिल जाएगा, WhatsApp numbers, सभी contact details, and also you can visit Saurav's classes website to know more details about our classes. So that was all about our classes. Now let me tell you some extra points. That is, in our class we teach for all kinds of competitive examinations and all kinds of entrance examinations, चाहे वो banking हो, railway हो, SSC हो, ZAT हो, CAT हो, MAT हो, JEE एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन हो, कुछ भी हो, हम यहाँ पे सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. तो अगर आपको कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन में हेल्प चाहिए, देन यू कैन एनरोल इन आवर क्लासेस. So that was all about our classes, and also that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again with other important entrance exam discussions in some other class.